Selamat siang, Pak. Selamat siang, abang-abang, dan selamat siang, saudara-saudari sekalian. Pada kesempatan ini, kami akan mempresentasikan materi peralatan tambang tentang hidrolik eskavator. Next. Adapun anggota kelompok terdiri dari yang pertama Bang Aidan Laksono dengan NIM 073001800002. Yang kedua yaitu Bang Rafa Renaldi dengan NIM 073001900044. Yang berikut yaitu Yohanes Gaubertus Sela dengan NIM 073002100045. Dan yang terakhir yaitu Rayhan Nugraha Gani dengan NIM 073021000039. Next. Hidrolik eskavator. Yang pertama yaitu tipe, yang kedua yaitu mekanisme kerja, yang ketiga penggunaan, yang keempat karakteristik umum, yang kelima praktis operasi, yang keenam gambaran alat, yang ketujuh pertimbangan pemilihan, yang kedelapan perkembangan baru dan tren, dan yang kesembilan yaitu spesifikasi. Next. Tipe hidrolik eskavator. Hidrolik eskavator terdapat dua tipe. Yang pertama yaitu hidrolik hoe atau backhoe. Yang kedua yaitu hidrolik shovel. Hidrolik hoe atau backhoe yaitu memiliki kapasitas bakitnya 2,3 sampai 16 meter kubik dengan HP-nya 300 sampai 2400. Bobot alat dari hidrolik hoe atau backhoe ini yaitu 49.500 sampai 418.500 kg. Digerakkan menggunakan tenaga hidrolik. Yang kedua yaitu hidrolik shovel dengan kapasitas bakitnya yaitu 2,3 sampai 30 meter kubik dengan HP-nya 300 sampai 2400. Bobot alat dari hidrolik shovel yaitu 51.750 sampai 418.500 lb dan digerakkan dengan menggunakan tenaga hidrolik. Next. Profil hidrolik shovel. Yang pertama yaitu terdapat silinder bahu atau bom. Yang kedua yaitu silinder lengan, silinder pembuka bakit. Yang berikutnya yaitu ada silinder penumpa bakit. Yang berikutnya yaitu ada bakit penumpa bawah, ada kerangka crawler, ada bearing berputar, dan struktur atas. Next. Profil hidrolik hoe yaitu sama seperti hidrolik shovel, yaitu ada silinder bahu atau bom, silinder lengan, silinder pembuka bakit, silinder penumpa bawah, silinder penumpa bakit, kerangka crawler, bearing berputar, dan struktur atas. Operasi dasar. Crawler dengan kapabilitas laju sedang digunakan untuk bergerak menuju pit pada area penggalian. Gerakan penggalian dikontrol oleh silinder bahu atau bom dan silinder lengan atau arm. Hoe menggali ke arah bawah dan mendekati alat, sedangkan shovel menggali ke arah atas dan menjauh. Bakit atau mangkuk dibuka untuk mengarahkan gigi gali untuk penetrasi yang diinginkan. Kancing pada bakit hoe digunakan untuk membawa dan menumpahkan material dengan memutar bakit. Mesin bagian atas berputar pada dasar crawler sehingga mesin dapat berputar ke kanan maupun ke kiri, dan front kerja dan menumpahkan material ke dalam hopper, truk, maupun stockpile.
Selanjutnya ada penggunaan dari ekskavator hidrolik, yaitu yang pertama adalah Alat ini digunakan dalam pengupasan overburden, pemuatan batu bara biji, atau dalam skala yang lebih kecil untuk pekerjaan pendukung seperti sistem drainase tambang. Yang kedua, hydraulic shovel digunakan terutama untuk alat gali dan muat yang juga dapat digunakan secara khusus untuk membuat truk, hopper, atau crusher. Yang ketiga, hydraulic hoe memiliki penggunaan yang sama dengan shovel, tetapi kapabilitas di bawah grade galinya membuat cocok untuk pekerjaan pembuatan parit atau penggalian di bawah air. Lalu yang keempat, hydraulic hoe digunakan dalam tambang ketika kondisi lantai menjamin menjaga mesin tidak berada pada dasar pit. Lalu fungsi penggerak ini ada 6. Yang pertama adalah crawler digerakkan oleh motor hidrolik. Yang kedua, pengaturan lengan bawah digerakkan oleh silinder hidrolik. Lalu ada pengaturan lengan atas digerakkan oleh silinder hidrolik. Lalu pengaturan mangkuk atau bucket digerakkan oleh silinder hidrolik. Lalu ada penumpahan bucket digerakkan oleh silinder hidrolik. Lalu yang terakhir adalah rotasi alat digerakkan oleh motor hidrolik. Berikut merupakan gambar fungsi penggerak dari hydraulic excavator. Ada swing motor, lalu ada hoist, ada crowd, bucket hoisting, bucket dumping, dan ada propels. Lalu karakteristik umumnya adalah dari hydraulic hoe adalah memiliki tinggi gali maksimum yaitu 6-16,5 meter dengan kedalaman gali maksimum 6-16,5 meter, tinggi penumpahan maksimum hingga 12 meter, jangkauan maksimum pada saat penumpahan adalah 6-11 meter. Lalu pada hydraulic shovel dengan tinggi gali maksimum 8,7 hingga 14,4 meter dengan kedalaman gali maksimum 2-5,4 meter. Tinggi penumpahan maksimumnya hingga 11 meter dengan jangkauan maksimum pada saat penumpahan 4,5 hingga 9,6 meter. Mobilitas keseluruhan dengan diesel sedang dan laju pergerakan sedang kurang lebih 1,5 mph hingga 2,4 km per jam. Lalu kemudian pengaturan posisi yang sangat baik dengan penggerak rantai yang bebas. Lalu ada kemampuan menanjak tinggi, tekanan tanah sedang 13-28 PSI, lalu stabilitasnya baik, laju berputarnya tinggi 2,5 hingga 5 RPM, gaya buka melalui resting tinggi, gaya gali tidak sepenuhnya dibatasi oleh stabilitas mesin, fleksibilitas memaksimum dalam menentukan orientasi bucket untuk penetrasi front kerja, bucket sempit, siklus penggalian menggunakan rotasi motor hidrolik, mengurangi biaya undercarriage, dan meminimalkan kerusakan lantai kerja. Lalu ada penumpahan kejut rendah dan mulus karena aksi penumpahan dapat dikontrol. Lalu ada faktor isian bucketnya tinggi, ukuran kompak dan bobotnya ringan, dan dapat bekerja dengan jarak dekat. Lalu muatan dapat bekerja secara langsung dimasukkan ke truk dengan penempatan muatan yang baik. Lalu penghasilan debu sedang peralatan pendukung tidak diperlukan dan dapat menjaga lantai kerja tetap bersih. Satu orang pengoperasi atau operator dengan tingkat kelelahan rendah, keahlian operator sedang diperlukan. Lalu posisi operatornya aman, jangkauan penglihatan baik untuk penggalian, tetapi terabas untuk pemuatan ke truk yang besar. Konsumsi bahan bakarnya rendah dibandingkan dengan front-end loader. Lalu pemeliharaan hidroliknya relatif tinggi dengan suhu tipikal 34,4 derajat Celcius hingga 49 derajat Celcius. Usia perbaikannya sedang yaitu 20.000 hingga 30.000 jam, tetapi memiliki biaya awal yang tinggi dan siklus pemasangan di lapangan pendek. Lalu gaya gali ini dibagi menjadi 4 yaitu bucket rollback, ada bucket lift, bucket rollback with ground support, and bucket grow.
Ya, di sini ada konfigurasi bucket hydraulic shuffle atau hoy. Yang pertama ada bentuk hoy bucket, yang kedua ada single piece shuffle bucket, yang ketiga ini ada bottom dam shuffle bucket. Next. Dan ini adalah siklus operasi hydraulic shuffle. Yang bisa dilihat ini gambar pertama, yang gambar kedua, dan gambar ketiga. Next. Yang ini siklus operasi hydraulic hoy. Dan ini adalah karakteristik front kerja penggalian. Nomenklatur hydraulic shuffle. Sini ada nomenklatur hydraulic shuffle. Yang pertama, yang A ada bottom dam bucket, B dam cycle, yang C-nya bucket cylinder, D-nya arm stick, E arm cylinder, F boom, yang G boom cylinder, yang H cap, yang I upper structure, yang J swing bearing, yang K undercarriage, dan yang L cover frame. Ini adalah bentuk konfigurasi mesin tunggal.
Sekian presentasi dari kami. Pada kesempatan berikutnya kami akan memutar video tentang hidrolik eskavator. Berikut ini yaitu video dari hidrolik eskavator tipe hidrolik hoe. Pada video kedua ini yaitu hidrolik excavator dengan tipe hidrolik shovel.
Hi, I'm Chris Lau, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the features and benefits of the new 6040 hydraulic mining shovel. Trusted on sites all around the world as a durable digger, the 6040 is in the 400 metric ton size class and falls within our productivity class product line. The 6040 has a standard bucket capacity of 28.8 cubic yards in both backhoe and face shovel configuration, enabling the machine to lift 44 tons of payload in each cycle. While available in both configurations, this video will focus on our new face shovel. Starting with the most important feature of a hydraulic mining shovel, let's focus on the clamshell bucket. All our buckets come standard equipped with a wear package, which should be selected based on material abrasiveness and the duty rating required. This 6040 face shovel has a standard rock bucket equipped with a heavy-duty impact wear package, CAT CL1 cast slip, and W850 ground engaging tools. The 6040 has a robust stick and boom which incorporates Caterpillar design standards along with high-strength materials. It also utilizes energy-efficient hydraulic float valves that incorporate gravitational forces to reduce the hydraulic power use when lowering the boom. This increases the machine efficiency, reduces cycle times, and enables hydraulic power to focus on other functions such as bucket curl and stick in or stick out. Unique to our productivity class shovels, the 6040 face shovel is equipped with our tri-power system. A pure and simple mechanical system, this system does not require any additional hydraulics or electrical components. By connecting the bucket and boom cylinders to a rotating triangular rocker on both sides of the boom, and then connecting the triangular rockers to the superstructure, the system generates superior mechanical leverage and control. This feature creates constant bucket angle guidance. Whether you are crowding or lifting, the operator needs to apply only a single cylinder function to maintain the bucket angle with no correction required. This advantage applies to both vertical and horizontal movements. By minimizing material spillage during boom lifting, operators can work more safely and efficiently. With this improved mechanical advantage, smaller diameter boom cylinders can be used, which achieve faster lifting speeds and cycle times. As the operator moves the bucket to the very top end of the digging envelope, our automatic rollback limiter kicks in, keeping the bucket angle in a safe position. This is a key safety feature that helps prevent bucket spillage over the back wall of the bucket and potentially onto the cab. Designed and built specifically to withstand the rigors of any digging environment, the new heavy-duty undercarriage extends service life up to 30%. With this heavy-duty undercarriage, we have introduced fixed axle idlers and rollers. These idlers and rollers improve performance, increase component life, reduce internal friction, and prevent overheating. The design now incorporates oil-lubricated components, eliminating the need for a greasing system and greasing lines. This in turn protects the components from overheating during travel, contributing to improved reliability and uptime for better machine performance. The 6040 comes standard with 1200mm heavy-duty track pads. The new CAT heavy-duty tracks improve handling of high field loads and have reduced pitch extension wear to increase track chain life by 20 to 40%. Fully hydraulic, this machine comes standard with a self-adjusting track tensioning system with a piston accumulator. This is our ground-level retractable service station, which is designed to provide operators and staff easy and comfortable access to all machine fluids. This includes coolant, hydraulic oil, gearbox oil, grease, diesel fuel, and engine oil. This feature improves the speed and efficiency of service to get the machine back up and digging as soon as possible. Just above the service station is the counterweight, which provides stability during machine operation. From the factory, we offer an optional camera monitoring system that improves visibility to the machine blind spots. We also have a Vision 360 retrofit kit that comes with 4 cameras. Here you can see the oil cooler module, which we will go into further explanation once inside the machine. The 6040 was designed with operator and service staff in mind. For safe and easy access, it has a powered stairway with a 45-degree angle, anti-slip walkway, and handrails. The next level also has a 45-degree stairway to maintain that safety feature. But before we continue to the top deck, let's take a quick look inside the power module. If we take the first entrance to the right, we enter into the engine module, where our twin C32 engines are located. To meet global emission regulations, we offer 2 configurations. These engines meet US EPA Tier 4 final EU Stage 5 emission requirements with a maintenance-free after-treatment system. This is a non-DEF solution which saves money and reduces downtime. Please notice the extra protection in place around the engines to ensure service personnel have a safe workspace. The 6040 has improved sealing between engines and hydraulic compartment, improved routing and separation of hydraulic lines and electrical cables, new pressure relief tanks, and protective heat covers on exhaust and turbo pipes. There is also plenty of space around the engines to provide access from 3 sides. In normal operations, the 6040 is powered by 2 C32 engines. Our twin engine design ensures the machine can continue to operate with full functionality in the event one engine is down. With just a single engine, the machine is able to move away from high walls, blast zones, and other safety hazards to continue mine site operation. When troubleshooting, this feature allows for system comparison from one engine and its hydraulics against the other engine to decrease downtime. To reduce maintenance downtime, the 6040 can be equipped with an optional engine oil extension system to extend oil changes from 500 to 1,000 hours. Moving past the second engine back to the front of the machine again, we can find the oil cooling module. If you take a look inside, you can see that it has 2 large independent coolers. What's special about this system is that the oil cooling is independent from the high-pressure hydraulic system, allowing for immediate cooling capacity as soon as the engines are running, even during idle. This is achieved with dedicated oil cooling pumps, which provide a constant flow from the hydraulic tank to the coolers so that the system can maintain an optimal oil temperature, providing increased uptime. In addition to optimal oil temperature throughout the duty cycle, the hydraulic components also benefit from continuous hydraulic oil filtration. These are the hydraulic pumps, which are governed by our intelligent pump management system. This system continuously evaluates actual engine and hydraulic operating values against set values and adjusts pump output accordingly. This results in greater productivity, less energy and fuel consumption, and reduced component wear. Going back towards the cab riser on the right-hand side, we have 3 swing drives and the rotor in the center, which sends oil to the undercarriage components. As you can see, the main hydraulic valve block is located on the top of the boom. By having the main valve block in this location, we have less hydraulic lines routing from the superstructure to the cylinders of the front attachment. By reducing the number of hoses leading to the superstructure, and because we divide the flow only at the main valve block, we have fewer hydraulic hoses within this transition point. This design and the integration of cat hose assemblies contributes to improved machine reliability and uptime. Before we go up to the top deck, let's look into the cab riser module. This room contains the main electrical control box and switchboards. It also provides additional storage space. Mounted in the cab riser, the 6040 comes standard with the new Product Link Elite. This technology provides improved condition monitoring via MineStar Health or Health Equipment Insights and sets the conditions for easy integration of other MineStar solutions. Okay, let's go up another level and take a look at the top deck. The top deck has an improved component layout with easy access to coolant expansion tanks, air intake filters, oil tank breathers, HVAC, grease tank, and isolation switches. The first item is the large container for the greasing system. This is a centralized greasing system for all the pivot points of the working attachment cylinders and structures, as well as the slew ring. All Cat hydraulic mining shovels use a single type of grease for the entire machine, which is fed through this tank on the top of the machine. Next is the battery isolation box. This is where the battery and starter isolation switches are located. These switches are easily identifiable and isolate the machine for maintenance purposes, allowing for safe work without having concerns that someone can start the machine or that it can be electrically charged. New to the 6040, these Cat-type 4 air filters with pre-cleaner dust ejection system are sized to improve the overall life of the air filter. The 6040 is equipped with 4 filters per engine, which are easily accessible and serviceable. The 6040 comes standard with a single HVAC system, but can be equipped with a dual HVAC system as seen here. Now we come to the comfortable and productive operator environment. This spacious cab with large front and side windows provides excellent visibility during operation. It also is temperature controlled with heat and air. There is safety glass in all of the cab windows with an armored front windshield. Operators are further protected from sun and glare with integrated sunscreens and roller blinds. Operators sit in a pneumatically cushioned, multi-adjustable, heated seat with easy access to intuitive, informative onboard electronics. There is also an auxiliary trainer seat with a retractable seat belt directly behind the operator. The electronic hydraulic controls relay signals from the joysticks, delivering fast and precise machine reactions that reduce operator fatigue. No hydraulic lines are present in the cab or cab module, which ensures a clean and safe environment with reduced noise levels. The large control tower on the right-hand side features our board control system. This system uses sensors throughout the machine to monitor operating data, record faults, and notify the operator audibly and visually. This promotes the earliest possible detection of faults and allows for timely maintenance planning and assistance. It includes a large 12-inch colored touchscreen, which puts vital machine and diagnostic data at the operator's fingertips. All of the operating data is accessible, as well as the onboard documentation in PDF format. This includes documents such as operating maintenance manual, electric and hydraulic schematics, and troubleshooting guidance. As mentioned, this shovel is equipped with the Vision 360 retrofit kit, so there is an additional touchscreen for this technology. This kit was designed by Caterpillar engineers and is easy to install and integrate. The 360-degree surround view improves operator situational awareness and confidence, reduces blind spots and accidental contact. With improved visibility to all corners of the machine, operators report increased productivity rates, less stress, and less fatigue. The 6040 comes standard with an operator protective guard, which is integrated into the cab roof as a top guard. The 6040 is equipped with 5 emergency shutoff switches, 1 easily accessible in the cab, 3 in the power module, and 1 pull rope accessible from the ground level. Located in direct proximity to the cab, this is the emergency egress ladder, which can be quickly lowered to the ground. The powered access ladder's controls are located on the top deck and allow for clear visibility when raising and lowering the ladder. The 6040 has 14 LED high brightness working lights and 11 LED service lights to allow for a safe and visible work environment. As technical lead of this machine, it has been my pleasure to walk you through the features and benefits of this new 6040 hydraulic mining shovel, which gives you the productivity you demand and the durability you expect.